What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Key10. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a $2,550 Ptownkicks mystery box. It's been a while since I've uploaded because I've had a hard time finding some boxes, but this one I paid $2,550 for, and it's a pretty huge box. I'll show you guys, but I saw Untied Hawaii post his video, and then Ptownkicks had some for sale. I'd followed him for a while, but I really just never even thought about getting the box from him. So let's see how it goes. Pretty big box. Oh, some wrapping in it. So give you guys a look at it. Looks like there's 9 or 10 pair of shoes. Like that. Let's get this first one out of the way. Size 11.5, Air Jordan 2. And okay, so you like some black and red Jordan 2s. Don't know the name on them, but seem a little dusty. The bottoms seem nice, but I don't know. I think these are probably older, but I mean, they look new, but kind of have some like dust, or maybe that's just the way they go. But yeah, I don't know. I assume these probably sell for pretty cheap, like maybe $100 or something like that. But box is in good condition, so that's good. So see how it goes. The next shoe is a Jordan 5 in the size 11.5. See that tag. Oh, Air Jordan International. So these are the Jordan 5 Internationals, and these are pretty clean. Like I feel like you could, wear this with a decent amount of outfits. Size 11.5. Man, these look dead stock. Yeah, these are dead stock. Those are pretty nice. I did see a couple months ago Ptownkicks bought a huge collection, size 11.5. But what does suck is the damaged box. I don't know how much those go for, but I would say probably maybe, I don't know, 200-ish. Next up, we have a Yeezy Boost 750 in a size 12. Okay. So this is the Inertias. Size 12. Man, these also look dead stock. Like brand new. Wow. Oh yeah, still got the tags and everything. So size 12, dead stock, Yeezy 700 Inertias. Pretty clean. I mean, I personally wouldn't wear this 700, but size 12. And if anybody wants any of these shoes, you can contact me on my Instagram at shopkey10, or also they should be up on my eBay page by the time this goes live, and that link will be in the description. I mean, you could buy them on eBay or reach out maybe, and I don't know, try to buy them off Instagram if you want them. So, okay, this is an Air Jordan 12 in the size 12. Let's see what we have. Okay. I am not 100% sure on the name of these, but I believe they're called like the Indigo, maybe not. These appear to be dead stock, and they also kind of appear to be a little bit old, because like this little Jumpman's has a little bit of yellowing. I almost can't pick that up, but yeah, dead stock. Clean. That's kind of crazy. I'm pretty sure these are pretty old. Sound box. These are also a little dusty, so see, I have to clean that up a little bit. But I'm trying to see what year these are. 2012, I believe. So wow, that's crazy. Not 100% sure on the name on them, but pretty nice. I don't know if it'll go for too much because I mean it's holding up well, but from 2012, that's kind of old. So not sure how we're doing too. I'm not sure how we're doing on the calendar. I don't really know the value for too many of those shoes, but this one, women's Air Jordan 1. See, size tag, size 10.5. And we have the tie-dyes. So I have had a couple pairs of these. They are pretty nice. I did buy a pair thinking I was gonna wear them, but did not end up wearing them because I feel like they're just too much to match with. But they are clean, and these are dead stock. Wow, so it's pretty good. I don't know if I think these dipped down in price, but in this size, I think they're, I don't know, 300 maybe. But these are clean. So like I said, if anybody wants them, they can hit me up. Super cool shoe. I'm a big fan of it. Just personally can't wear them. Alright, so 4 more shoes left. Here's a Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the size 9.5. You can already tell what it is by the size tag. And we have the Cinders. So it's a clean pair. Man, I don't know what's going on, but these also look dead stock. So I don't know. I look at them more after I film them just to double check, see what's dead stock and what's not. But I mean, almost all of these seem dead stock. But these are nice. Can't go wrong with these. They match with about anything. I think these might be about 300-ish. Not 100% sure. 3 more shoes. Let's see what we have. Size 11.5, Jordan 4. And okay. I have a pair of the Oreo 4s. Clean. I think these came out in 2015, 2016, I want to say, but man, they're clean. Man, are these dead stock too? Yeah, these are definitely dead stock. Wow. I don't know if these go for too much, but they're super nice. Dead stock, still has the hang tag. Man, I would say this is probably 300-ish. That's clean. Wow. The box is a little, see that tape, so kind of sucks, but it's not too bad. So far, I've had a decent amount of shoes, but I don't know if we have that value yet. We might. I'm not 100% sure, but right here, you already know what this is. Size 11.5. And we have the Concord 11s. Clean shoe. And it's also dead stock. Wow. Okay, so a lot of dead stock shoes in here, which is pretty crazy because usually you don't see a whole lot of dead stock shoes. But yeah, these are dead stock and super icy. I think we came out in 2016. Wow. Yeah, that's kind of like rare to have a bunch of dead stock shoes in here. I mean, I think almost all the shoes have been dead stock. Alright, so we have one more shoe. Let's see that, size 11.5, Air Jordan 1 Retro High. And we have the 2013 Chicagos. Wow. These are nice, and they're dead stock. Okay, that's insane. I did see the box in there, and I was saving it for last because I thought that's what it was. But I did not know they were dead stock. That's insane. These I know the 2015s are obviously going for like $2,000, but I still think these are like $600-700. Could be wrong. What does suck is right there on that toe box. You see how it's wrinkled? So that kind of sucks, but somebody's gonna wear them. I think they'll still enjoy them. Give it a little bit of a discounted price, but man, these are nice. That's a good way to end the box. I figured they'd be used, but that's another dead stock pair. So I think the whole box was dead stock. There's some damaged boxes, stuff like that, but regardless, that's pretty crazy to have all dead stock shoes. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys have any suggestions on where you'd like to see me get a box from, comment down below and I'll try to get one. And I appreciate you guys watching. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, I would appreciate it. And I'll be back for more videos soon. Thanks.